Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a quick review of the ZIIP Halo Face Contouring Tool. So I have had this for a little while now and I have been so excited about it. I honestly think it's incredible, and today I thought it was time to do a little review. So this is not like any other beauty tool I have ever used. I have tried a lot of gua sha, face brushes, that kind of thing, but this is like an electronic gua sha kind of system. It's honestly incredible. It's a game changer. Let's talk about it. So the first thing that you do when you get this is you have to download the app. It is the ZIIP Beauty app. ZIIP is spelled ZIIP. Literally, you'll find it in the App Store. Look up ZIIP, you'll find it. You literally just download that. I don't think you need to put in any information. And then you just sync up the tool, which takes a second. I think you literally just turn it on and hold it by your phone and it syncs up. It's honestly super easy. And then it asks you what you want to do, and you basically just tell them like what you want to focus on. It's again super quick and easy. I think you're up and running within about 2 minutes. And then yeah, it literally just shows you a tutorial. I'm sorry I can't show you the tutorial because it's on my phone and I'm on my phone right now. But you basically just watch the tutorial and you do it alongside. Now, the main thing that you need to know when you use the ZIIP Beauty tool is that every single time you have to use this. It is the crystal gel. It is honestly so good. But without this, you're going to tug on your face, and also it feels weird. I don't know what it is, but this kind of has like a bit of an electronic pulse, which is quite painful if you don't put the cream on. It's really weird, but if you put the gel on, you'll feel a bit of like something going on, but it won't feel like an electric current, which is how it feels without it. I know that sounds really weird, but bear with me. So basically all you do is you put a little bit of this all over your face, all over your neck, and then you just watch the lady, you follow along. There's some nice kind of pan pipe music. It's a good time, it's a treat. I think the last one that I did was 6 minutes, and I just did half of it because I wanted to just do one side of my face. Annoyingly, I put the stuff on both sides, so I look really shiny on both sides, but actually only one side of my face has been contoured. I'm gonna move the camera around so that you can see the difference, but basically I left this side and I did this side, and yeah, you can see my bare face on what it's done. So if I hold the camera here, hopefully you can see. But if you look here at my jawline, I feel like this side looks a bit more defined and like there's a bit more sculpture. And then if you look at my cheeks, this side is like a bit more lifted, and this eye area is more kind of lifted. It is obviously a bit pink because of like the current and the rubbing, and I have like quite sensitive skin, and any rubbing just turns into redness, but that will go down in a second. But mainly you want to look at like the sculpting effect, and then most predominantly look at my eyebrow on this side compared to this side. Like I think it's crazy. Like this side is literally higher up. Yeah, let me try and turn it around so you can see in different lights. But this side does genuinely look higher up. It's crazy. But yeah, I think this side looks more lifted. And this is after 3 minutes, by the way. But yeah, look at my eyebrow on this side. It just looks, I don't know, it just all looks a bit more up, which is crazy. So just to quickly show you how it's done, I have turned it on. You put the gel on, and then you literally just start. And when you hear a little vibration, that's your sign to kind of do a new stripe. You basically do one stripe every pulse, and then the pulse should pulse when you're kind of at the side of your face, and you just do this. Now obviously when you're doing it with the nice lady in the tutorial, you're getting a much better kind of I don't know, you're getting like a better like number of strokes in the right place. But I just wanted to kind of show you that this is what you do, and this is kind of how the pulse works. So as soon as you hear the pulse, you're like, hold, boom. And then again, there. And then you just keep going, and you're basically starting out
I think you actually start at your neck, but I'm not watching the tutorial. But you basically just start in the center, work out, wait for the pulse, start again. And yeah, it's like literally 3 minutes each side, and you end up looking asymmetrical if you only do one half, which is proof that it works. Anyway, I forgot to tell you, I do actually have a 10% discount code, which I will put in the description. I will put at the beginning of the video as well. But yeah, I think it's incredible. I'm so into this tool. It's so good. I've used a lot of different gua shas. Wait, I should turn that off for a second because it keeps buzzing. I've used a lot of gua shas and brushes and all sorts, and this is, I think, incredible. Anyway, yeah, it made my face wonky, which is crazy. So I'm gonna go off and do this side, and then hopefully my face will be more symmetrical. Anyway, that's my quick review. I hope it's of help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.